Welcome back all to the Bussigns Jet. About us. Our channel is about Bussigns ideas, coaching and tips. For all beginners, we are here to help. We cover lots of cool stuff such as marketing, online Bussigns and affiliate marketing as a very important type of business nowadays. Check out our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Contact us on Affiliate 101 online. Is affiliate marketing really profitable? What is affiliate marketing used for? Basically, affiliate marketing is used by companies to reach a larger segment of the audience, with the purpose of converting them into customers and increasing sales. It is a very great way for companies to reach more marketers, who will advertise their products, services in return for a small return. A simple commission for each sale. Is affiliate marketing really profitable? The answer is simply, yes, and 1,000 million, yes, as well. 1. You will make a lot of money from the internet through affiliate marketing over the years, and I still do, as well as using a special affiliate program on Good Themes if you notice, where we offer 50% commission, which is the largest commission rate offered by an Arab company. But if you came across those ads that I was meeting, which talk about affiliate marketing, as if it were a child's game, and that you can make thousands of dollars a day with a little effort from you, then know very well that this is not true at all. 2. And do not understand by this that you will not be able to achieve those thousands of dollars, and there are already thousands who make thousands daily, but the truth is that none of them made thousands of dollars overnight. 3. Impossible. Success took them a lot of time and effort to create that empire of marketing. 4. With their affiliate marketing commission, and after this effort comes the stage of making profits as a result of these efforts. 5. And remember from the beginning, that affiliate marketing is a business in business like any other business in ordinary life, and that it is a more than wonderful way to make money on the internet, just like any other business in ordinary life, and that it will require you a lot of time, effort and money to spend in it just like any other work in life. And this is so that you can reap such sums and profits that you dream of. 6. The most beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is that you can really start building your own business today. 7. It is relatively free, and all that will be consumed from your balance in the first stage is only time. Why start with affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a great way for you as an individual to make money, and here are some reasons that explain this concept. 1. You do not need a large amount of money to start your affiliate marketing business on the internet. 2. You don't need to buy or store stock. 3. You don't need to make deals or end sales with customers. 4. You don't need to send merchandise to customers, and you don't need to deal with refunds. 5. You can manage your affiliate marketing business from anywhere in the world, and as soon as you launch your business on the internet, you can work and make money at any time, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, that is, even while you are sleeping. How do I get started with affiliate marketing? Explore affiliate networks. The most famous affiliate network on the internet is ClickBank, which is the best, largest and my favorite, as I got my first commission from it, and where I was able to make my first money on the internet. And in this place you find more than 10,000 electronic products that facilitate the process of selling and promoting only through the promotional activity that you do, and the site will handle the rest of your work for you. Search by Google search. Another way to help you find products related to the topic you are working in is to use Google search services. Run the following equation in the search box. 1. Keyword plus affiliate program. 2. Of course, you replace keyword with the keyword related to your field, such that the equation is 3. Weight loss affiliate programs. 4. Then click on the search word, and you will find the results that are suitable and compatible with the segment you are working with. Check the different online stores. Almost all the popular online stores have their own affiliate programs, such as Amazon, eBay, etc. So you can simply make a registration in any of these sites, then sign up for their affiliate program, and start choosing products that are compatible with your chip. Often the commission will not be large, that the opportunity for someone who holds a credit card in his hand, or a car. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow us. You can contact us on Affiliate 101 online.